Daily use of English sentence for child. Clean it, clean it. Repeat it, repeat it. Repeat after me, repeat after me. Take a bite, take a bite. Take a sip, take a sip. Put your books in the bag. Put your books in the bag. Never mind, never mind. Try again, try again. Get up, get up. Wake up, wake up. Stand still, stand still. Don't move, don't move. Right now, right now. Taste it, taste it. This one, this one. Do it fast, do it fast. Hurry up, hurry up. Go upstairs, go upstairs. Come downstairs, come downstairs. Look here, look here. Look at me, look at me. Take it, take it. Hold it, hold it. Anything else, anything else. Nothing else, nothing else. How will you go? How will you go? Put on the shoes, put on the shoes. Take off the shoes, take off the shoes. Put on the clothes, put on the clothes. It's raining, it's raining. Switch on the fan, switch on the fan. When it happened, when it happened. As always, as usual, as always, as usual. Forget it, forget it. What's in it, what's in it. Don't sit idle, don't sit idle. Get to the work, get to the work. He is on the way, he is on the way. Wait for me, wait for me. Have another one, have another one. I am setting the alarm, I am setting the alarm. Wait for a moment, wait for a moment. Don't eat up, don't eat it up. Don't drink it up. Don't drink it up. Who said? Who said? Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Come in. Come in. Get ready. Get ready. Anything special? Anything special? Nothing special. Nothing special. Thanks for watching my video. Keep learning.